Hey guys, in today's video I want to show you quickly my everyday makeup look, and not only that, I also want to show you my favorite beauty products and as well some tricks that I'm using while I'm applying my makeup. So if you're interested, keep watching. I'm going to start prepping my skin for makeup with Bioderma. I'm going to apply, it's going to be Tatcha and the Dewy skin cream. Love the texture, and actually while I'm applying I just want to show you I'm not going by my fingers in it, because if you want to keep the ingredients, if you want to keep the cream in a good condition for long, don't put your fingers in it. Even if you wash your hands, you steal all the microbes that you have in your hands, gonna go to cream. The next product I'm going to apply, it's going to be Georgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. So after I applied my foundation, I'm going for the brows. I'm going to apply a NARS, pumping into my skin gently. I'm usually using those tiny eyeshadow palettes, and what I love about that you can just put them in your purse, and I'm usually applying this color to make your look to look more rich. The brush I'm using, it had previously a different color in it, so now my eye, as you can see, looks very pinky. Nice job, Eva. Alright, after I remove my previous disaster and apply the primer and took a brush that doesn't have any makeup left over, I'm going to use this color and just applying on my eyelid, just like that. And oh, now it's way better. Now you can see that this is the color that I am looking for. The next step is going to be contouring. I'm using Milk in shade Bake. The other trick, guys, if you're doing contouring, please don't put this whole line in it. Just a small on the corners, and that's it. And just again blend it and tap it. Alright, and coming to my favorite part, concealer, and I'm gonna be short Tatcha concealer. Guys, it's the latest found and I love it. Amazing, like seriously. Like, and again, don't put your fingers in it. I'm just using this small plastic spoon I just got it from Sephora. They have tons of it. And just again, grab a small amount and applying around my eyes. And let it sit for a bit, and then I'm gonna blush it with this brush. For my lips, I'm going to apply Makeup Forever in shade Artist. Oh wait. The shade gonna be completely sepia. 602. Okay, the number is just 602. I'll make it easier. And for my lip gloss, I'm going to use another latest font, and I absolutely love it. It's Tarte. This lip gloss is just amazing, like just beautiful. It has a little bit of shade. I don't know if you see it. Thank you so much guys for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye 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 bye.